of times that I'm saying I'm so excited is gonna be unreal, so
I stay with him up like swish, swish, bish. Another one in the basket.
Hey guys, it's Gigi, and today I'm going to be doing a really fun video for you guys. And if you didn't notice, I'm wearing the same clothes that I wore in last week's video, and pretty much, if you didn't watch last week's video, you guys should definitely go watch it. But I did a birthday haul, and I got a Nintendo Switch, and so today I'm going to be unboxing it. I'm so excited to unbox this. I've wanted this for so long. So pretty much I'm so excited to play with this and unbox it. Me and my sister are sharing this, so she'll probably be playing with it too. But yeah, didn't know I play Fortnite only mobile because I don't have any other gaming device. So this is gonna be so fun and I'm so excited. And I'm excited to play with it in high-tech quality. I just opened up the lid and first there is the actual Nintendo Switch dock and handles. They're all in like plastic wrap, but this is the Joy-Cons. If you couldn't tell before, I got the black version and I'm so excited. And the dock, and this is so smooth. It's so nice to take out of the packaging. When you take off this white piece of cardboard, you come in here and you have all the like electrical stuff. So here are the first like cables. The Joy-Con grips if you want to play with them separately. There is the controller grip, which is in, I don't know what kind of styrofoam plastic thing it is. I also have the manual, have the actual dock. I just realized that this is called the tablet. Sorry I messed up before. But it comes in bubble wrap and then the more like styrofoam plasticky thing. And it's pretty much all plastic, but yeah, it has the holder for the tablet and then this kind of little thing to hold all the cords, and yeah. So now I'm gonna go set this up downstairs on my TV and I'm gonna go play with it. Okay guys, so I'm downstairs now. Pretty much my sister is making her like Nintendo imovie thing and I'm gonna make mine right after her. Literally, it took me less than 10 minutes to set it up. It was super duper easy, and yeah. A couple of things that I wanted to point out on this Nintendo Switch is on the top bar, there is the game chip like place. So that's where you put your games. Pretty much that's where you put your games. I have Super Mario Odyssey in here right now. But it's just pretty much it's pretty much just like a microchip. And then there's also a headphone jack, so you can plug in earbuds or headphones, which I think is really, really neat. There's the volume up and down button, and then there is the off switch to turn on and off your Nintendo Switch. Hey guys, it's Editing Gigi. I just wanted to say a couple things about this video. First, I wanted to say that the footage is pretty chopped up. It's like kind of all over the place, and the reason why is that I had to film this on 2 different days, and if you notice that, then props to you. That's why I was wearing like a different Simply Southern shirt and a different hairdo. These were 2 different days because the first day I played with it was raining so much and there was so much lightning and thunder and the lighting was really off and it was so loud, so I decided to refilm like the rest of the video. And that's why that's like that. The second thing I wanted to point out is that I don't have a capture card because they're really expensive. But anyway, I don't have a capture card, so I was literally filming off the TV. That's why it's a little shaky at some points. That's why the quality, it's blurry and the lighting's really off. And I'm really, really sorry. I'm hoping that if I make another Fortnite video, I can fix that problem. Last but definitely not least, I wanted to do my shout out of the week, and this goes to Alpha Jazz, and she commented on last week's video, and I wanted to say happy early birthday, and yeah, so if you guys want to get shouted out, comment down below something, and then use the hashtag shout me out, so that I know you want to get shouted out. And this is a thing that I'm doing from now on to say thanks to like the support and thanks to everyone who comments and subscribes and likes my videos. So yeah, but now let's just get back into the video. Oh my gosh, so I don't know if you guys saw that. That was the saddest thing that's ever happened to me. I was literally this close to getting onto the van and I fell off my platform. I'm happy I got it on camera though because that was really funny. But yeah. Okay guys, so now that I have played on the TV, I'm gonna play Fortnite on the actual tablet itself. And I'm gonna put it just in regular handheld mode, not tabletop mode. But pretty much I downloaded 2 free demos and then my mom got me this game. And if you guys want to see me play like Mario Odyssey, and I also really want to get Mario Kart 8. So if you guys want to see another Nintendo Switch video, give this video a big thumbs up, and that's probably going to be the poll question in the I button above. I also wanted to explain to you guys that, as you can tell, I'm really new to this, so the controls are different from mobile. So yeah, that's why I'm not like that good, and I'm not good anyway, but like that's why it's even worse this time. But now we're gonna play. I'm gonna be playing the getaway because it's a new version, and then I also have like challenges that I want to do. So that's what that's the mode that I'm gonna be playing with this. Okay, so something weird just happened with that game, but pretty much Fortnite just needed to close down. I think there's a bug and they're gonna be like they're like updating the game. So that's pretty much all I can do for now. Overall, I love this product so much, and I'm really happy and thankful that I got this. I've been wanting one of these for such a long time, and literally I can't believe that I'm actually like holding one right now. I love this product. I love how easy, portable it is. It's really easy to like connect. It was literally only two cables to connect to your TV. I just love this, and I love how you can take it anywhere you go. Also, I hope that I can get like a case for this because I know I'm gonna want to take this where like out to places or like when I'm on the airplane. So I don't want to drop it or break it, and also it's made of plastic. So it's pretty sturdy, but at the same time, I really don't want it to like crack the screen or anything. Another thing I do have to say about this product is that it runs out of battery pretty quick. That's why if I do get a case, I'll probably invest in a charging case just because I don't want it to run out of battery. The fact that you can use it so many different ways. You can just use it connected to the tablet. You can use it with joy straps if you want to do multiplayer, or if you just want to go separate, and you can put it in dock mode and in your controller. That is just so flexible, and it just works for everybody's needs. I'm so thankful and so happy with this product. Overall, I would rate it a 9.5 out of 10. I really hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what you'd like to see next, especially if you want to see another Nintendo Switch video or another Fortnite video. Always comment down below more ideas. And hit that notification bell to hear when I make more videos. Also click that I button above to take a poll, because I always have a poll. And check out the description box below, which has my social media, and please give them a follow. And I really hope you guys are clicking off this video with a big smile on your face, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!